Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we will talk about how to reset Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So as you can see in my hand, I have the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra with me, and it is of titanium black color. And seriously, it is very impressive phone, and the color is also very stunning. Also it's made of titanium, and probably many of you are already using it, so probably you can find out the pros and cons of the phones. So every phone does have the pros and cons. I may not comment on that. So today, in this video, I'll let you know how you can hard reset your Samsung Galaxy Ultra. So this will be my first reset of this phone. Okay, so I've just bought a new phone probably a month ago. Okay, see, there are two ways of resetting the phone. The first is go to settings. Okay, go to general management, go to reset. Okay, so after you check all of your backup, data backup in your pen drive or in your OTG drive or in your systems. Okay, so probably you can reset the phone with you can choose four of the settings here: reset all settings, reset mobile network settings, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and reset accessibility settings. Or you have another option of factory data reset. Okay, it will reset your phone to the factory defaults. Apart from these five settings, you have another six settings to hard reset your phone. Okay, so as a Samsung user, you must have you must have know how to hard reset your phone. Okay, so quickly, I'll tell you, if you still have doubt, if you still have any don't have any knowledge of hard resetting the phone. So first of all, you have to take the backup of your phone. So I have this much of applications running. Okay, so I have taken the screenshots of the pages and send it to my system. Like if I may have forgot to install any of the application, so you can probably look into the screenshots and install them. For data backup, I have like the gallery backup. I don't have any albums now. I have taken the backup on my system. And okay, for your like contacts and messages backup, so probably you can go to accounts and backups in setting in your phone settings, and then you may have the two three options here. First of all, you have the option for taking the backup in Samsung Cloud. So you can click on the backup data in the Samsung Cloud. You may need a Wi-Fi connection. I have turned off the. So when you go to that, okay, so you may have you can choose from the backups like call backup messages, contacts, calendar, clock, settings, home screen, apps, and voice recording. So you can click on the backup and it will back up your settings. So I have disabled them as per my need. Okay, second option, you have the Google Drive backup. You can click on that and you can back up your phone data like apps, photos, SMS, memes, and call history, device settings, Google account data, everything in your Google Drive. Okay. After backup, you can switch off your Wi-Fi connection, and or probably like if you have a WhatsApp or a messaging app, Telegram, and all that. So you can simply go to the application and set up and like back up your WhatsApp or Telegram or any chat application data into cloud. Okay, or like whatever mode you want to take the backup, you can take that. So now let's go to the backup, the hard reset thing. Okay. So before doing the hard reset, you need to first make sure that your phone is connected to a data cable to your system, computer, or laptop. Okay, like this is mandatory only in case of hard reset. Okay, it's not mandatory if you are resetting your phone from settings panel and general management. Okay, so in this case, this data cable is not necessary, but if you are doing the hard reset, then data cable is necessary. So what you can do is you can probably, I'll switch off my phone. Sorry, this is something new Samsung has invented in this phone. So power off, power is off now. Now you will see, I think the charging panel. If you plug in the this cable, okay. Now what you do, this is the power button and this is the volume rocker button. Okay, here you have to click power button and the volume up button, okay, simultaneously. And like when you see the Samsung logo, uh, you can release the power button, but make sure the power up button will be pressed, should be pressed. Okay, so quickly I'll show you. I'll quickly show you. Okay, so I have pressed all both of the buttons and I have released that in the Samsung logo. Let's see what happened. So I quickly went into the recovery mode. So you can see the recovery mode section here. Okay, now you have few options in the recovery mode. Okay, you have reboot system now, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, view recovery logs, run graphic test, run locale test, and power off. Okay, so for hard reset, you need to first wipe the cache partition here. Okay, cache partition have been wiped now. Now go to wipe data factory reset. Okay, probably you may not be able to see because of I'm shooting from my other phone. So here you can see the yeah, you can now see that wipe data factory reset option. Okay, now when we to choose the options, you have to click on the volume rocker up and down, and to select the option or to hit enter to the option, so you can click on the power button here. It will ask you wipe all user data, this cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased. If your SD card is encrypted, all data stored on your SD card will also be lost. So make sure on that, but we don't have to, because this device we cannot install the memory card. You can click on factory data reset and see what happened. I'll do that. So it says formatting data, formatting cache, formatting metadata, resetting tag message, and data wipe complete. Okay, you can see the message here. This is the message. Now what I'll do, I'll quickly reboot my phone and I'll see like whether my phone has been rebooted on the hard reset or not. You can simply unplug the power cable or data cable. Okay, after the reset, it will take some time because it will act as a fresh phone now, so it will take some time to reboot. So it is like your phone is now the first act as a first time login. Like when you buy the phone, when you first time login. So this screen you will see that you can start. Okay, agree to all, optional is there. Okay, then easy setup with another device, you can set up manually or the way. One thing you have to notice, like if you hard reset, there will be a message unauthorized attempt has been made to reset your device to factory default. Connect your Wi-Fi network to verify your identity. Click on OK. You can click on your Wi-Fi here. Okay. Uh, After connecting to Wi-Fi, okay, so you will get this screen getting your phone ready. This will take few minutes. So this is like, this phone is very fast, so you may probably, you know, be able to get into the phone very fast. So it was like, it will show you the message if your phone was factory reset, and enter your pin to unlock it. I'll quickly enter. Okay, it is checking the info. You have to sign in with your Google account. After putting your email addresses, okay, you can you will be redirected to this screen to choose your search engine. You can choose that easily, and then protect your phone via fingerprint. You can, you know, do it as per your requirement. Then you have an option to log into the Samsung account here. Okay. I've logged in with my Samsung account. Then you will be redirected to this screen, advanced intelligent. Okay, so next, Samsung service permissions, you can give that. Choose your display mode. It will be, I'll choose dark here. It will save more battery. That's not a, you know, means I don't recommend it. I'll choose like, it will you know, save more battery. Apps will be downloaded when you are connected to Wi-Fi. So click next. You can uninstall them anyway. Finish. Now this is your phone. Okay. So this thing will be downloaded from your app store or the Samsung store probably. So I would like to tell you, this phone I'm using since past 1 month without any lag and all that. So everything is, you know, underway in completing the setup as of now. I did not found any issues in this phone, and I have a, you know, this cover also, the transparent cover. So I'll put it on to save it. Obviously, it is a very expensive phone. See. So as I was saying, I haven't found anything in this phone which could, you know, which I can do camera settings and all that. See, it's depend upon your preference, how you wanna use your phone. You wanna use your phone extensively. You wanna use your phone, you know, quite like only for calls and messages and quite few photos and all that. So It mainly depends. So if you are a developer or something like that, or you want to dig into the phone specifics and all, so you can do that also. But in my opinion, this is the best phone I have ever got in my life. Okay, so like I'm being a Samsung user, Android user. Okay, so I had Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus in from what I was using for the like last 6 years. Okay, so that phone was also very good, and this phone is also very good. So now I'll be setting up this phone, okay, and I'll keep it with you like how you wanna reset your phone. I have shown you the ways to reset, okay, and probably after the reset you can go to settings, okay, again, and accounts and backup, and restore your data from the source you have you have taken the backup. Okay, so restore it, and then I think it will ask me to update. Okay, so it will show you like last backup and the current backup. So backup from other devices, backup from this phone, so you can probably choose. I'll choose this, so it will ask me to update it. So as soon as this Samsung Cloud will be update, I can probably choose from the options and hit restore, so it will restore my data as it is. I have taken the backup. Okay, so if you have anything, so please let me know, so I can probably be helpful, so happy to help you in this. Okay, so enjoy your phone, and it is this hard reset thing is applicable to other devices as well. Okay, you can probably do that. You can probably dig into any other the things of your phones also. This is the S phone, sorry, S pen packet. You probably known it. So this is something like you will get in the black edition. You will get the black S pen also. Okay, so it is like it is the first time, so I'm probably I have to set up everything here. Okay, I'll be quickly setting up my phone, and you take care of yourself, and let me know if you have anything to share on my on the comments on my videos. Uh, Till then, take care. Good night, and have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.